Well, elegant it is not, and smooth the graphics ain't. But here we have a north-facing view with the horizon marked by this line, which is being deleted and redrawn every time, which is kind of annoying. And little posts marking north, northwest and northeast. Well, this is a circle of phenomenal size at phenomenal distance, travelling in circles above a flat plane. A flat stationary plane at that. Now, this is horribly slow, so we can use the speed menu to go to 100 times speed, and you can watch it disappear from view to the right, and stay out of view for a very long time, and reappear from the left and go along there. This is kind of dull. Just going to slow this down again. I included a toggle that if in key -99 is if the spacebar is currently held down. Hold down the spacebar as it cycles past that line, and it goes into tracking mode, which for some reason is drawing backwards. And what the problem is I've drawn the horizon backwards. When I was writing the code for the horizon, I thought, bollocks, it doesn't really matter whether you draw it right to left or left to right. But of course it matters. For this part, the camera is now tracking the sun. I've turned the speed up to 50 times so you can see it move. Because I'm drawing the horizon backwards, it appears that the sun has changed in direction. But you can now watch the sun go up into the sky and then apparently right to left across the northern horizon. I should fix that. I'll be right back. Fixed, and this last edit, changing line 40 to say sun radius is 100. That's the reason I set it all up as variables. So this lets me make the sun 4 times bigger. It should be more visible. Oh yeah, that's hugely more visible. It was a tiny little point of light. I could give you a larger field of view, but then it would be even less obvious. Ew! The sun has become a triangle. What it should be drawing is an octagon, but... Track? There we go, that's tracking. And now the horizon is actually moving. Well, the horizon is staying still and the camera is tracking, and the horizon appears to be moving right to left. Everything makes much more sense. And it's still painfully slow, and that flash is still annoying. Speed, 50 times. There we go. Octagon, and back down and across to the north of you. Wait, that wasn't north, that was northeast. That's north of you. That's northwest. This is as viewed from the equator, by the way. That post that was not quite under the sun was west. That one that's about to disappear from the left side of the screen is east. It's gone over northeast. It's heading towards north again. Northwest appears from the right side of the screen. And there's, northeast, there's due east just appeared from the right side. You get a brief glimpse of southeast before the horizon drops off the bottom. And this is what the sun would look like if it was going round and round in circles at fixed altitude above a stationary flat plane. This is not what the sun looks like. Conclusion: Earth is not a stationary flat plane. Did anybody still need telling that? It's 2021, not bloody 821. BC. Anyway, there's the code. And yes, some of those line numbers do not end in 0 because I added them later to avoid getting a no such variable error with the lines around 150, which I had already written. But there you go.